one or two or three things making people think artificial intelligence models are bad, inaccurate, and not precise. First of all, people usually don't understand what are hallucinations. Hallucinations are not simple mistakes that artificial intelligence makes. It's not visible. 2 plus 2 equals 5. It's not that obvious like black and white or red and green. Hallucinations are more complicated, are like chameleons. We know there are many of them right there in that output that artificial intelligence gives you, but we cannot really identify them. That's the problem. The problem is that hallucinations are hidden and they can actually camouflage themselves. For instance, if you ask artificial intelligence what is the great exercise for the pregnant woman, it will give you an answer that looks accurate. But there is a chameleon in there, camouflaged item that is probably made up just for you, because AI models optimize to give you an answer you probably like or appreciate or approve, meaning according to preferences. And there is a separate episode on my YouTube channel explaining why context is a king right now, not content. Context is a king, but that's different episode. Second, people think that AI is a silver bullet. So one thing like ChatGPT or Google Gemini will solve all the issues. It's not like that. Actually, you gotta think about it as an ecosystem. Connected things that one is specialized on something and progress the output and pass the output to the second part. For instance, ChatGPT might give you a perfect idea for optimizing your logistic processes, but then you need systems like Camunda, for example, that will actually design the process. And then when the process is designed, systems like diagramming with AI or 3D modeling will give you an actual documentations, objects, items, activities that will make this AI output a reality. So it's not one thing. It's not the silver point. It's not the silver bullet. You got to connect different AI powered tools. Why? Because then it comes number 3. You got to be specialized. Domain experts always win, which means that if I have a person that works in the reception desk in a hotel, and she or he is going to prompt artificial intelligence system, that person right there will write better question, forwarding that to artificial intelligence model than myself. I might eventually hone that skill, understand the job, and define the good prompt, but they will do it faster, at least they should, than myself. So domain experts always work. So, for instance, if you want to design that business process or that diet or design this cost structure or restructure the thing in progress, then you got to understand the specific goal you want to solve and pick up a tool for that process. For instance, HeyGen, HeyGen, is a software that can work on your video. Find a YouTube interview in English, upload that, translate that to Russian or Ukrainian or German, whatever you want, and it will even manipulate the lips shape and movement during that translation, making sure that video is realistically translated. So you got to understand the process. So if you understand hallucinations, if you understand why you want to achieve that, and if you understand how to connect all these tools to one thing, you will boost this in synergy. It's not plus 2 is 5. It will be like 2 plus 2, it's going to be 100 or 150, because artificial intelligence can deliver those things half time, double, triple, quadruple the quality. That's the point. And most people that complained about it, they probably should look at that video, grab the knowledge out of it, and start testing, start experimenting, and see what works for them.